Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erin and I am documenting my journey to complete debt freedom and financial independence. It might feel as if it's been a while, about a week maybe more since my last video, and that's because it has been. Just had a few different things that came up throughout the week. Then I was gone on a camping and wheeling trip and such like that. Took a couple days off after that for the relaxing, unpacking, all of that good stuff. So some of the videos that I had anticipated pre-recording, I didn't get around to that. So today it's going to be the cash stuffing that should have been up on Sunday, and then on Friday I'm going to have my sinking fund stuffing that was supposed to be last Friday, and then I'll be wrapping up my October savings challenges and announcing my November savings challenges on Sunday as well. So should be relatively quick today, moving through things. If you are new here, I would like to welcome you. While I was gone, Marlene has started a campaign to get me over the line to 1,000 subscribers, because I had said that kind of as a joke that I would show my face in a Q&A with her, and it's now looking like that's going to become a reality. So we'll go ahead and cross that bridge when we get there, but probably something to look forward to in the not too far future. So I don't have too much in terms of setup. I didn't get out my cash tray or anything like that. That's all right. So as I said, savings challenges today. Yeah, I mean, how many other ways can you say that? I'm taking money and I'm putting it in an envelope. Gosh, I can't remember who it was that said that. It's absolutely hilarious. She's like, oh, it doesn't matter what you call it. We're all doing the same thing. We're just putting money in envelopes and counting it up. So that is that. I'm going to start with my like challenge. As I said, I've stopped kind of announcing the like challenge. I started doing this a couple months ago just for a range of various reasons, and so what I've been doing is just going in, looking over the past week, finding the envelope, the challenge that the video that has the most likes in it, grabbing that money. And so for this one, the closest was actually my last savings challenge video, and that had 86 likes, and so I rounded up to 90. So that's 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and $90 going into my cash box. My cash box, like everything else at the beginning of December, will be opened up and counted, and then I will pretty much start all over for the new year. So just getting a bit, I don't know, kind of full. It's hard to tell with our notes though, because again, having polymer notes, yeah, they don't fold down and smoosh up. They spring back open. Second, I always do my $5 savings challenge. So anytime I have a $5 come back to me in a purchase, so from any of my cash purchases, then that goes into that is what goes into this envelope. And at the end of each month, I don't count it up, I don't keep track. It's again something that is going to be counted at the end of the year, and it's probably going to annoy the snot out of me when I get to that point, the fact that I haven't put things in order. But it'll just make for a really long, it's going to be a really long video, because I'm going to have 12 months worth of $5 envelopes that I will be going through, and then I'm going to have all of the other savings challenges that I've been doing throughout the year that will all get counted up at that time. I do have this was my Health is Wealth savings challenge. I'm going to color in my Relax. So this was, I created it for October as a self-care challenge, and then a small monetary challenge with it, just to bring awareness to liver disease and the various types of liver disease that is out there, because October is Liver Disease Awareness Month. It is what I have resulting from a genetic condition, but lots of different causes behind it. But the thing with the self-care challenge is you can repeat it as many times as you want, and I strongly encourage you to do that as well. Don't just do it 1 month. Try to, if you can't do it once a day, then aim for once a week and build up from there. Baby steps, right? That's what we're all working on, is baby steps. So that will stay available in my Etsy shop. I'm just going to make some modifications to it so that it just has 30 icons. It'll just be a self-care challenge. And maybe I think throughout the year, different months, because different months usually are for different awareness. In November is Movember, and that is for prostate cancer awareness in men. And so a lot of times they raise money and they grow a mustache. And me, I don't think I really suit having a mustache, especially if I have to do a face reveal. Would be a really bad month for me to choose to let a mo grow. So I am just going to quickly put something together that I will have up for free. I'm going to try and have that done by Friday, have that linked to just a PDF to a Dropbox link that you can have for that. So I strongly encourage people to continue doing that, to continue learning about different afflictions and such that are out there that people are facing or are challenged by, that really are a bit underfunded, I think, within the spheres, because medical research is extremely expensive. I will go through and finish coloring in my health as well. But honestly, with me going away camping and wheeling for 4 days, that really is the best for me. That's just really my best form of self-care, is getting out on the tracks. Yes, we did break things. New parts have been ordered for that. It was just a hydraulic, the master cylinder and slave cylinder in the Wrangler went out, being a manual, and so she came home on the trailer. Well, I had to bring the camper home, drop that off, get a trailer, go back, get the TJ, and then bring her home on the trailer. But that's all right. It didn't roll, which we at one point had, 3 wheels off the ground and 1 wheel on, and 2 people holding on to the sliders, the rail sliders. So yeah, but we're going to, this is my $1,000 in 26 weeks challenge. I'm going to be adding $45 to this. So that is going to be 2 20s and a 5. And I did thin down my binder some as well. So I did do a kind of like a mini cash swap. So now I have 51, 52, 53, 50, 70, 90, 51, 52, 53, 50, 70, 90, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570, 590, 595, 600. So I'm going to add what I have all together today. And so yes, I did get one of these clickety clackety calculators because I like them. I had seen Stacy over at Stuffs with Co-op has one, and then Caroline at Caro Cash, she has one as well, and I just went, I want one too, and so I picked one up. Cyber Monday is going to get another $25, so I've just been working on this one slowly each week for doing some online shopping. I still don't know what I'm going to buy. Probably more Jeep parts, because if I'm being honest, that's either stationary type stuff or Jeep parts. That's a lot of what our online purchases are. So $25 going into my Cyber Monday challenge, and that is going to give me 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 45, 50, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 45, 50. So $850 that we are up to in savings. And again, you can tell by, that's one of the other nice things I think with having icon-based tracking, is you can see the amount of time that it's taken. So it's not that this is something that happens overnight, but so you can see how it does build over time. Boxing Day, so this is for the day after Christmas. Yeah. So for any of the sales and such, then again, not usually too much that I'm going out looking to buy. I'm pretty well set in terms of decorations. I am not one of those people that goes out and buys heaps of decorations each year and has multiple trees or anything like that. Not that there is anything wrong with that. That's just not, I keep it quite minimal. If I could do a black and silver Christmas tree, I just think that that would be awesome. That's might be something that I keep an eye out for, but $25 going in there. So 20 and a 5. So that gives us 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 55. I just lost count of everything, so, and I'm not going to go through. 255 plus 250 is 505. I forgot how much was in there from the other one, but I ain't gonna go back through it. One of the things that I do like to look for after holiday sales is things like candles or different smaller things that might not necessarily be something that I would use, but that if I unexpectedly have to go to a dinner or something like that, that I can grab, or if an extra person comes, if we're hosting dinner or something and an extra person comes and we've got gifts for everybody else, then I have something that I can quick grab out of. I call it my gift closet. And so it just kind of stores things in there. I have my trick or treat challenge. So this was by Caroline over at Caro Cash, who in her honor, I have a lovely sparkling water with a hint of tropical passion fruit. Delicious. She always has a Coke, or not a Coke Zero, a Pepsi Max. And it's just kind of an ongoing little joke with her on that, how she always has to, she's always taking a sip. So you will notice a lot of Australian budgeters that they now have a tasty beverage of some sort that they will quench their thirst with whilst filming. It's actually quite amusing. And so this was her trick or treat challenge. I had chosen the $150 challenge. And so I am coloring in the very last pumpkin, who I have named Squash this week. So I've just, decided on that because, well, it's a gourd. It becomes squash, edible. If you're in the US, pumpkin pie, right? It's coming from that. So $25 going there. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 155, 160. I have 160 in there because I had also put in some money along with the different coins that I have, and that was for Chris Budget's what was it? Spend or Die. And so I just called it my Save and Thrive. And then for that, because I didn't have any no spends, so I'm just gonna put an additional $30 in there, and I am going to call that one good. So plus 30, so we are at 695 plus whatever was in my $1,000 challenge, which I'm not gonna go back and count because we will just leave it to suspense, or somebody who is keen with an eagle eye watching will be able to tell me what it was as well. And then I'm just going to put $20 into my spring 13-week challenge. So $20 going in there. So 51, that's an easy one to count, 10, 20. 695 plus 120, so 815 plus, I think it was like 800 or something. Yeah, so 815. Okay, I have to go back and count it because now it's going to annoy the snot out of me if I don't. So 815, 51, 52, 53, 50, 70, 90, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570, 590, 595, 600, 600. How could I forget that? 815 plus 600. So I have saved up thus far $1,415 that I have counted. Plus I have had money go into my like challenge And I have the money that I am going to be donating, and who knows how much is in my $5 savings. So that is going to bring that to a close. Yeah, still sorting out what I am going to pick up for new challenges in November. I know one is going to be a roll the dice challenge, and that is by Taylor at Wild Printables, and then coming up with something for November, and probably then just that's probably just going to be it. Backing off a little bit, getting ready to wrap up the year and start the new year and find out where it is that we are sitting at total. So that is where I am at for now. Nothing over the top or anything like that, but again, just, you know, kind of showing. I often get asked, where is this money going to go to? I have absolutely no clue whatsoever. I might use it to top up sinking funds. I might use it for purchases. Sometimes for me, it's just fun to save for the sake of saving. I've got more than enough money that is going to investing and other things. So this is just kind of yeah, it's an extra little fun part for me. And I love watching other people in their savings challenges as well. So I'll go ahead and I will wrap it up there. If you did enjoy this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you want to join the campaign to see what I look like in a Q&A with Marlene over at Snow Gardener 307, then by all means do feel free to subscribe. Otherwise, as always, do remember to choose kindness, show gratitude, always keep a positive mindset. I will see you in the next video.